Yeah, I'm just doing a video. That's a wood stork. He is huge and slightly beautiful and slightly terrifying.
What are you talking to?
I'm making a video.
Come here, say hi.
I'm not really sure why he's here. We do have a big old lake out back. You can absolutely tell these kind of birds are descended from dinosaurs. Now watch, I'm probably wrong about that. Somebody will correct me. Is he making those noises? I'm hearing a different bird.
No, he's not.
The birding is so fantastic in Florida. You see the coolest stuff. Wow. Hello, buddy. He looks very healthy. Like, oh, I thought he was going to take off. I love seeing him fly. Bye, dude.